Hey, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Chloe, and for those that don't know, I study astrology, numerology, crystal healing. I'm interested in yoga, meditation, health and wellness, and all things spiritual. Before I dive into the Cancer archetype, I think that it's important to note that zodiac signs can offer general tendencies and characteristics, but they don't determine a character's full identity. That can only be derived from an individual's birth chart, not just one specific zodiac sign. With that being said, not everyone born under the zodiac sign of Cancer will relate to every single thing that's being said here, but I can assure you that they will relate to a ton of what is being said here. Cancer is the fourth sign of the zodiac. It rules over the fourth house in astrology, which in astrology is the house of home, ancestral roots. It's the house of your upbringing, your childhood, your connection to your mother or your maternal parent, or the parent that was more around or even more nurturing. The fourth house is ruled by Cancer, but your fourth house may not be ruled by Cancer specifically. With that being said, the fourth house still holds the same meanings of home, roots, upbringing, mother. It's still connected to all of that, but you may have a different zodiac sign ruling over your fourth house. If you are unfamiliar with houses, here is an image to show you what a birth chart looks like with the houses on it. Wherever Cancer is located in your chart, the house that is ruled over the zodiac sign of Cancer or ruled by, for instance, if you're a Cancer rising, Cancer ascendant, your first house will be ruled by Cancer. The house is an area of life. Each house 1 through 12 is an area of life. And so the house that is ruled by Cancer represents the people or things that touch close to home or your heart, and things that you are very protective of. You're typically very emotionally invested in this area of life, in the matters associated with the house that Cancer rules, as well as having strong instincts toward this house. The house that Cancer rules in your birth chart can point to matters in which you need to feel secure. Matters of the house ruled by Cancer change, but don't fret, because if those changes are negative or changes that you don't want, you're quickly to act on those changes. All you need, for those of you that don't know how to access your birth chart, is your exact time by the minute, because it changes every 2 hours. Your exact birth time, which should be on your birth certificate, your birthday, and your location that you were born. All of that should be on your birth certificate. The other thing that you need is an astrological data bank, and what I use is astro.com. I just want to note that I do not recommend asking your parents what time you were born. I recommend seeing it in proof, because there's a lot of things that go on at the time of your birth, and your parents aren't a reliable source to get that information from. On astro.com, they have it to where you can create a user profile to where you can go back and look at your birth chart anytime you'd like, and you can also save other people's birth charts, as many as you want. Cancer embodies the archetype of the crab. Crabs are known for their protective instincts. They have a hard exoskeleton that serves as a protective shell, shielding them from potential threats and predators. When Cancers are riled up, out comes the claws. The association of Cancers with the crab symbolizes their strong desire to protect themselves and their loved ones. They prioritize creating a safe and secure environment for themselves and their family or friends. Crabs can live on land and in the water, demonstrating the ability to adapt to different environments. Similarly, Cancers exhibit adaptability in their emotional lives. They can navigate through various emotional situations, analyzing and considering feelings before taking action. This ability allows them to cope with different circumstances and find creative solutions to challenges. Crabs undergo a process called molting, which means the shedding of skin, hair, or layers in animals, like snakes molt. Dogs, I hear they molt. I'm not sure how true that is, but I hear, dogs shed their hair whenever, summer comes. They grow more hair in the winter. So I guess they do molt. Well, crabs shed their old exoskeleton and grow new ones. This process symbolizes change and transformation, growth and renewal. In astrology, Cancer individuals experience emotional growth and emotional transformation throughout their lives. They can learn from their experiences, shed emotional baggage, and evolve into more potent versions of themselves. On the flip side, and I have a video titled Cancer, Life Lessons and Challenges, where I talk more about the negative aspects of Cancer energy. If you're interested in that, you can watch that. This video, it doesn't touch on too many negative qualities of Cancer here, just because I wanted to make that a separate video so that these videos aren't too long. The association of Cancers with the crab in astrology signifies their protective instincts, their emotional nature and adaptability, and their strong connection to home and family. The crab symbolizes Cancer's protective nature, as they create a safety barrier around themselves and their loved ones. They prioritize the well-being and security of their home and family and their environments. The sideways movement of the crab reflects the emotional nature of Cancers. They approach situations and emotions from different angles, cautiously navigating through life's experiences. This sideways movement can also symbolize their emotional sensitivity. Their soft shell also symbolizes their sensitivity, being easily hurt and very sensitive. Just as crabs retreat into their shell for protection, Cancer individuals seek solace and retreat into their home environment. They value their personal space and find comfort in their home and familiar surroundings, highlighting their connection to home and the need for security. Cancer individuals are known for their deep emotional connections. They have a strong sense of home and family and a very protective nature. The crab's association with water aligns with the Cancer's elemental association. Cancer is a water sign representing emotions, intuition, and sensitivities. All water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, are represented by feminine nature. So all water signs are feminine by nature. All water and earth signs are feminine. Fun fact. Making them receptive, intuitive, nurturing, introverted, emotional, and sensitive. Crab's connection to water reinforces Cancer individuals' emotional depth, sensitivity, and intuitive nature. As a cardinal sign, and all of the cardinal signs are Cancer, Capricorn, Libra, Aries. They are associated with initiating action, being leaders, and starting things, because Cancer is a cardinal water sign. It has a strong initiation and leadership within the emotional realm. They are natural caretakers, and they prioritize creating a safe and secure environment for their loved ones. Their connection to family and their ability to provide emotional support are significant aspects of their nurturing and empathic nature. Cancer individuals are deeply tied to their home, their roots, and tradition. They value their history and find solace and security in their family and ancestral connection. They strongly desire stability and to create a cozy and harmonious home environment where they can retreat and recharge. And they're usually homebodies. The ruling planet of Cancer is the moon. The moon in astrology and the sign that it's in and the house placement that it is in your chart are very, very vital to your being. I mean, every single planet in astrology in your chart is very important, but the moon is one of the most important components of your chart. It's the inner you. It's your instincts. It's your instinctual reactions. It's your habitual nature, your habits, your comforts. It's how you express your emotions. And it is your emotions. It is how you nurture others and how you want to be nurtured back. It is your relationship to your mom, and it is also your deepest desires. It points to what you need to feel emotionally fulfilled. Just like the moon changes signs every 2.5 days, Cancers also have fluctuating emotions and are prone to moodiness. At times, Cancers can be overly sensitive to the tiniest things. Paying attention to the moon cycles may be something that Cancers are strongly attracted to, as well as cooking, but we're talking about the moon, but I just had to throw that out there because a lot of Cancers I know want to be chefs, or at least have wanted to be chefs in their life, and are really good at cooking. Cancers may be strongly affected by the moon and have an attraction to it. In summary, Cancer individuals, represented by the archetype of the crab, possess deep emotional sensitivity, a very nurturing spirit, and a very strong connection to home and family. Their protective instincts, emotional nature, and adaptability make them very empathic and understanding individuals who foster emotional connections and create a sense of belonging and safety in their environments. Thank you all for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel to grow. And if you'd like to see more content from me, please don't forget to subscribe. I try to make videos on the daily, and if not on the daily, on the every other daily. I try to make videos as much as possible. I am an avid learner and I love this stuff. So if you're interested in that, please like this video, share this video with your fellow Cancerian friends or family members. And if you're still with me, please drop me a white heart down in the comments below. If you don't have a white heart, drop me any kind of heart. I would love to hear from you guys. I'd love to hear your story. I'd love to hear if you related to this. If you didn't, I would love to hear what kind of content you're interested in. Anything. I would love to hear from you guys. Again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.